video, I'm going to teach you how to roll your traps. So this is a new one that I've just learned. It's really cool actually. So you take your lacrosse ball, and you take a thicker band. This isn't going to work really well with like a small red band. A green band would actually be better because it's thicker. And what you're going to do is just put the band around over top of your neck, so it's kind of like a side bag, I guess, like a satchel. And then you put the ball underneath the band. What I want you to do is take your opposite foot and you can start applying pressure through there, okay? So if you go all the way down, just hold. You can also use something to kind of stabilize yourself so you're not going to fall over. But yeah, and then just make sure your band is thick enough, it's not going to pop the ball out. So I just hold my hand up here. You can kind of direct where you want the ball, and you can roll it just slightly through the traps there, okay? Yeah, and you can get some really good spots with this, so it's pretty cool. All right, and you can do that for as long as you want.